Former Senator Bongbong Marcos is a COVID-19 survivor.
Sa dami ng naranasan ko at aminin ko nagdusa, ay ako isa pa rin ako I'm still one of the lucky ones. I really am. Because of the good work ng ating mga doktor, ng ating mga nurse, ng ating mga techmed, all of them, nandito pa rin ako. Kasi nasa high risk na ako eh. Ay, ako'y dumaan. COVID survivor na tayo. Masasabi ko lang, ayaw ninyo magkaroon na itong sakit na ito. Okay.
Special Envoy to China Mon Tulfo claims Marcos recovered from the coronavirus because of a Chinese herbal tea. Tulfo revealed it in his column for the Manila Times. Tulfo said he gave the tea to Marcos, which he drank twice a day for 3 days. In the column, Tulfo shared the Viber messages sent by Marcos's wife. Tulfo also revealed that Senator Migs Subiri took the same tea.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.